Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you download Bitget wallet into your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Play Store, and after opening the Play Store you will get to see a lot of options into here. First of all, you just simply have to go over search and search for Bitget wallet, and then this Bitget wallet, crypto and BTC app will appear. Just simply open this application and tap to install button. Then after doing this very easy step, your Bitget wallet, crypto and BTC app will be downloaded into your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.